Good morning. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside, little bro? You wanna go outside? What's that about? Be free, little kitties. Be free. Be free. Okay, you weren't that excited to get out, were you? Time to make some breakfast. My girlfriend's so pissed at me right now. This is Kristin. And she's even more pissed at me now because I'm trying to film her. She hasn't showered yet. She doesn't think she's beautiful, but she is. Yes, she is. Meet Kristin, everyone. Spinach. Gotta take out the trash right now. Wondering if I can spot a wild kitty. I know there's a couple of them out here. Sick vlogs, dude. Taking out the trash. Alright. Let's go, let's go. Meow, come up here. Say meow. Oh, good girl. You want a treat? That's good stuff. I'm doing that. Okay, bye. Go on, girl. Go outside. Run! Alright, y'all, so today Kristin and I are going to, well, first we're dropping off her car at the brewery. Her sister just opened up a brewery with her sister's husband, and it is fire. South Lake Brewing Company. If you're ever in Tahoe, go check that place out. All the beer is so delicious. It's awesome. Anyway, so we're gonna go drop off her car there, and then we're gonna go hunt for these waterfalls that neither of us really know where they are. So that's gonna start out the day. She has to go to work at 2:30, so I don't know. We really don't have a plan for the day, but it should be a good day. I mean, the sun is shining. Yeah, South Lake Brew Co. This place is fire. On our way out to this area, we got stopped by this massive tree. No, we could get over that, but it looks like there's a ton of snow on the road, so it doesn't look too promising. We're gonna have to find a new adventure, unfortunately. But we'll save this one for later. We're going to try to find these waterfalls that I went to like 5 or 6 years ago, and I've never been able to find since. Not this snowy last time, so this should be kind of interesting. Guys, we found the Pony Express stop. Oh my god, we found it. Oh, it's huge. Just kidding. You know it's been a good winter when your path turns into a river. And this is our path right here. Snow caves. Yo, I think we found it. I think we actually found it. No way. I think that's it right up there. You might not be able to see it. Yo. This is nuts. I just ate this log right here, cracked in two underneath my feet. Right after I stopped recording. Oh my god. I'm okay though. I was trying to walk up this and ate. Oh my god. Nice. Well, let's keep going. No, the water is flowing so hard right now. Babe, I just ate right there. She loves it when I eat because she wanted to give me a high five, so apparently she loves it when I'm in pain. We call that schadenfreude. Check it. I don't want to fall right here. I think we just found some sort of mammoth bone.
Tusk.
It's a tusk. Goodbye, tusk. Be free, tusk. I love you. We're at the top now. It's so beautiful out here. Every day in Tahoe there's something new to do, and that's why it's my home. Scenic view number 2. So apparently this GoPro is waterproof, and I've never tested it out, so I think you know where this is going. Yo, this honestly just keeps getting better and better. I mean, look at this. That's sick. This is all so familiar, yet so foreign. Crazy how Earth can just change like that. This adventure just keeps getting better and better. I don't know if you can hear me over the roar of all this water, but I mean, it's so awesome out here. I love it. There's Kristin up there. I don't know if I can zoom on this thing, but she's up there. Check this out. I think that'll be cool. Yeah, that's dope. You're so artsy. Alright, so we finally reached a point where we're not going to continue. This is what it looks like. just looks kind of hard to get through all this. There's a way, but it's getting snowy and crappy out, so yeah, this is awesome. Total success. Do it for the vlog. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. I just kind of realized something about this place. It feels kind of eerie out here. Like it's kind of a scarier vibe. Like it's dark woods and I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy. What do you guys think? Whoa! Plus it doesn't help that I keep falling through all this snow like 30 feet deep. Yeah, 30 feet, no exaggeration. And yeah, I feel like I'm in the I'm really good at similes and metaphors. On these little hikes that we do where there's no path, you gotta know what you're doing, because I feel like this is a place you can get lost. Everything kind of looks the same. There's a bunch of fallen over willows and trees. Whoa! And if you eat as much as I do, you get turned around. My ways may not be easier, but they sure get you there a lot faster. So I just got off the phone with Dylan, and we're gonna go play disc right now, but he mentioned that he wants to run half a marathon, or he has to for work, and he wants me to run with him. And I've never attempted anything, like I used to run cross country, and that was really hard, like 2 to 3 miles a race or whatever, but this is 13 miles, and I just don't know if I can do it, but I'm considering it. I don't know. That's gonna be tough. That's gonna be really tough. We'll see. We'll see. He's in the lake. That was the best throw I've ever had on this hole. But this next one is gonna be a whole new kind of a challenge.
It's gonna be intense.
It's gonna be real bad. Or real cool. I'll throw first. Alright. Across the lake we go.
I'm going over it, dude.
I'm going over it too. Alright. Then maybe we should do a little sweeping.
Yeah, let's get this real. What are we doing?
I'm taking no chances here.
Oh! Oh! Oh no, dude! Alright.
That was the worst thing that could have happened. Oh, you skipped out!
Yeah!
Oh, that was so lucky.
Yeah!
Nice. Alright, we're going in. Gotta get that vlog content. Oh, it's nice in here. Maybe I'll take my flannel off too. The water feels pretty nice. Oh, I'm kicking up so much dust. Yo, this sucks. Oh, I found it. Sick. Chains. And it's in the water again. Nice. Well, that was a great time. Damn it, Dylan, why'd you do that? Why'd I have to go get your disc?
I was scared, dude.
Well, aside from going in that lake there, that was a good round of disc. And ended up at 2 over. We didn't play all like 27. We probably played about 22 holes or so. That's pretty good for me anyways. Yeah, Dylan left me and just gonna go home and eat something and see where the day takes me. So John and I just went running. This is the first time, sorry, that I've been running in so long, aside from a treadmill. Probably ran like 3.5 miles. So it looks like I am gonna do that half marathon. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but yeah, gotta start somewhere, right? So yeah, we went running, and now we're gonna go bowling. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring you with me, but just know that I won. All right, peace.